Hey guys, this is George. I'm going to go over George's Excel fitness and weight tracker for the year 2019. There's different sections in this program represented by the tabs here at the bottom. Currently I'm in the exercise and weight tracker section. And on this particular worksheet, you're going to keep track of two different things. You're going to keep track of your actual weight versus your desired weight. And you're also going to keep track of whether or not you completed your scheduled workout plans. The way it's laid out is each month is stacked on top of one another all the way through December. So you can see the whole year on a single worksheet. So the first thing you want to do is enter your desired weight goal for the year. In this case, it's going to be 140 pounds. I'm going to copy all that weight down through December, copy, paste special values. And to the right here, you can see the chart that tracks your actual weight versus your desired goal weight. That orange line represents your goal weight, which is what we entered in that column. Next thing you're going to do is plan out your whole year on these tabs here. And that's your workout plan. So this is an example that I came up with. This is a 3-day-a-week workout plan on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Here's an example of February, and here's one that's not filled in. So the way you're going to track it is first you schedule it. And let's say that on the 2nd, we completed our run. So then you could go back to this worksheet and you could go back to January 2nd and mark that particular exercise as completed. Let's say on Friday, we had scheduled bicycling, and let's say that we completed that. So you're going to go ahead and mark that as complete, and you can use this legend down here. Green is exercise on a day originally scheduled, and red represents didn't exercise on the day originally scheduled. And then you can also use yellow to represent these different items here. So on that first week of the year, at the end of the week, we then enter our actual weight. Let's say that's 160 pounds, so that we can see that we're 20 pounds over our desired weight goal. So let's say that through these next couple of weeks, I'm just going to go ahead and fill them in. Let's say that you completed all of your planned exercise routines. And then at the end of each week, you entered in your actual weight. And if you look at the chart here, that green line represents your actual weight, those numbers that I just entered there. And you can compare that to your desired goal weight. Let's say on February 4th, so let's go to that scheduled workout schedule, and on February 4th, we plan to swim. Let's say that we missed that particular exercise plan. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that with red. And let's say that we completed the next two Wednesday and Friday exercise plan. And let's go ahead and enter our weight at the end of the week. Okay, so you're going to do that for each week as you go along through the year. And here's one that's fully completed so you can see what it looks like. I'm just going to click this tab here. And you could see here that the actual weight has been filled in completely, and whether or not we completed our exercise routines have been filled in completely. And if we look at the weight, we can see that green line, which is great because as the year progressed, we basically met our desired weight goal by the end of the year, or even before then. Okay, and then we could scroll down as far as did we complete our exercise routines. We can see that we just missed just a couple of days throughout the year. If I shrink that down, you can kind of see a little bit better what it looks like for the entire year. Okay, so that's how you keep track of your weight and exercise tracker. There's one other worksheet here, and that's the full year on a single page where you can keep track of special fitness events. For example, on January 20th, we had a 3K walk. On February 24th, we had a 5K run. So you can just track those items, fitness events for the entire year. And you can also print out these. So if you want that particular report on a single page, you can print that. If you want your monthly workout schedules on a single page, you can print them out. And if you also want this particular worksheet on a single page, you could print that out. And to enter their data into your scheduled workout plan in a particular calendar, it's very easy. You can just either copy what you've previously written and just paste it into the calendar, or you can just type it in what your plan is for that particular day. So that's a basic overview of George's Excel fitness and weight tracker for the year 2019.